a tiny palm clasped tightly in your hand. The world was still and golden. I was so amazed. You were so beautiful, so beautiful.
Hello.
I wanted so much. What are you clutching so desperately?
Sila dunihi kampale.
But now I understand. In the palm of your hand you held so many precious things. Happy birthday, happy birthday. You were born with something wonderful in your hands. Try to open it slowly. There are dreams and hopes and lots of love in there. Take a good look. No matter what time of year it is, it will surely bring a smile to your face. You were born on a beautiful day, a day filled with light. The world was sparkling and shining, blessing you. I was so happy, I was so happy to see you. Happy birthday, my love. You were born with something wonderful in your hand. Please don't lose it. Dreams, hopes, lots of love, and above all the light that shines in your future. Gaze upon it whenever and however you want. Happy birthday, my dear special one. May your days be wonderful. In more people day, my love you want. Happy birthday, my dear special one. May your days be wonderful.